If they're negative, bye. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's London and I'm back again with another video. So this video is all about how to level up in life, and this is just going off of my own personal experiences. So if you guys like to know what I'm talking about, what to talk about is I've written them on my phone. So the first thing into how to level up in life is 1, to stay to yourself and stay out of drama. Nobody likes a person who's always in drama, and like that's just so much negative energy that you're bringing towards yourself. And you know, just stay clear of the drama. For me, if it ain't got nothing to do with me, it ain't got nothing to do with me. That's how I stay clear of the drama. A lot of people try to bring you into their drama, and it's just not worth it. You need to keep your energy nice and pure so it's not, you know, tainted with everybody else's bad energy, bad vibes. So that's rule number 1. 2, cut off negative people. I know this is gonna, you know, hit home for a lot of people. You know, I used to have negative friends that used to hang out with me. They never wanted to see me do good, or they just never wanted me to, I don't know, do things that were productive. They always wanted me to be in drama. They always wanted me to, you know, act out, etc, etc. So you have to cut off negative people, toxic people. If that means your aunt, your uncle, your cousin, your brother, just cut them off, because nobody needs toxic energy around them. Nobody needs toxic people around them. It's just bad in general. Like, you would wonder why nothing's progressing, because you have toxic people around you. So make sure you take a mental note of who isn't right for you and who's just really toxic and just gives you negative vibes and negative energy. Just make a mental note so you know who to cut off. You know, and it's about to be 2019. Those people gotta go. So make sure you know who to cut off. If they're negative, bye. If they not supporting you, bye. If they not, you know, helping you chase your dreams, bye. Like, what are they here for? Cut off negative people. If they don't have nothing nice to say, don't even involve them in anything that you're doing. You know, I had people, instead of congratulating me, they'd be like, oh, well, why are you doing that? Like, you know how many people told me doing hair was not a real job? I should have worked at the movies with them. Like, no, I don't see myself working at the movies with you. I don't see myself working at the grocery store with you. I want to do hair. Instead of people congratulating you, they would say the most negative things. So make sure you just cut off negative, toxic people. So that's number 2. 3, focus on what's going to make you better for the future, for the present tense. You know, you can't look back in the past, but focus on what makes you a better person. If, you know, working out is going to make you a better person, focus on that. If eating healthy is going to make you a better person, focus on that. If, you know, pampering yourself, you know, doing a little self-care, meditating, etc. is going to make you a better person. You know, finding your inner self and understanding your inner self. If that's going to make you a better person, do it, because you just gotta do what's right for you. At the end of the day, everything starts off with you, so you might as well start with yourself and then work outwards. So that's number 3. If you gotta drink a lot of water to focus on yourself, because everybody needs clear skin, sis. Another tip is you don't have to be all up in people's faces. Like, I don't know how to further explain this. You know, when people go out every weekend just to be in people's faces, or they just need to be in a big crowd to be seen, to be heard. Like, you don't need to do all of that. Take a step back, take a break from the clubs, take a break from the drama. You know, don't get on Facebook. Every time I see this certain person's name all the time on my Facebook, just indulge in negativity. But you know, you don't need to be out there in people's faces all the time, especially if it's negative. Just no, stay away from the clubs for a while. Stay away from, you know, just ghetto festivities for a while. Just cut it out. You don't need to be seen. It's better to stay low-key, you know, so nobody's gonna be like, oh, I know what this person's gonna do. I know their next move. You don't want people to feel like they know what you're up to. You don't want them to feel like they know you already just based off of, you know, being in their face. You want to stay low-key. Nobody should know you. more than you know yourself. You know, you gotta stay low-key. Stay to yourself. I can't stress that enough. Just stay to yourself. Don't go out of your way doing things for people that are not going to do things for you in return. That's another thing for me. I'm not going out of my way unless you're my mom or my boyfriend, because they reciprocate the things that I need back. But I'm not going out of my way for nobody who is not going to do stuff for me. Like, no, that's a lot of energy wasted. No. If I already know I can't ask you for something, I'm not gonna ask you for nothing, and I'm expecting you not to ask me for anything, because I don't ask you for anything. So if I feel like you can't reciprocate a favor for me, I'm not doing anything for you. And that's just how I work. Okay, another thing is stop being fake and stop trying to be cordial with everybody. I feel like when you try to be cordial with somebody, you're just being fake. You're just leaving room for fakeness. Like, I don't know, if I don't talk to you, I don't talk to you. If you see me and I see you, I don't have to say nothing to you. Please don't say nothing to me, because I'm in my own lane and I'm minding my own business. I don't have to fake the funk for you to feel comfortable. I'm not here to make you feel comfortable around me. If you see me and I don't like you, or you don't like me, we don't gotta say nothing. So unless it's trying to escalate to a different situation. But no, I am not being fake. I don't believe in being fake. I don't believe in the fake hi, and then you turn around and be like, I don't even like that person. That's too much energy you're putting into negativity. If you don't like that person, why go out your way to say hi to them, want to know how they've been, what their goals are? Like, no, cut the fake shit out. It's not needed. It's not necessary. It's about to be 2019 and you're still trying to be fake. Just cut that shit out. Like, that's not even cute at all. I hate people that I know don't like me but want to be in my face. Like, no, I'm not talking to you because we have nothing to talk about at the end of the day. Okay. We're gonna act like I don't know you, you don't know me. Let's keep it moving. If you come up to me, you would get ignored. And that's all I have to say, because I don't got nothing to say to anybody. There's no point in being fake. We're too old to be fake. Now, I feel like to keep it cordial, just don't say nothing. Don't say nothing. Just walk by me. I'm gonna walk by you. Because then it's gonna start to get messy if you start talking. Like, no. Cut it out. The next thing is be selfish with your time and energy. Do not run yourself thin to please everybody else. You cannot please everybody else. And if you try, you're gonna legit have a heart attack, have a mental breakdown trying to please everybody except yourself. Please be selfish with your time and energy, because that's the only thing you can get back. And if you feel like you wasted your time, you probably did waste your time. There's no point of trying to, just go above and beyond to satisfy somebody else's needs, or have somebody look at you in a certain way because you want them to value you. You need to value yourself. That's all I have to say. Be selfish with your time and your energy. Time is money. If it ain't making you money, what is it doing? Nothing. And another thing is pamper yourself. This goes for ladies, men, cats, dogs, grandma, grandpas, everybody. Make sure you take the time out to pamper yourself. If it's a spa day at home where you do face masks and you just really meditate and reflect on your week. You can reflect on your day, reflect on your week, your month, whatever. Just take that time out to really sit down and relax, because if you don't take your time to pamper yourself, you're gonna fall into pieces. Like, you're gonna fall into pieces. Everybody needs a vacation. Everybody needs a break. Everybody needs just time off for themselves. So that's my advice. You don't want to end up looking old because you just don't care about your well-being, your own self. There's people that work really hard every day and they need to take care of themselves. And as I said, it all starts off with you. Okay.